Most people look at a small pancake compressor and assume it is just a weekend hobby tool meant for blowing dust off a workbench or filling up a flat tire. That is a total misconception when it comes to this specific Metabo powerhouse. It is essentially a professional-grade engine trapped inside a compact portable frame. This unit pushes out 200 psi, which is a massive number for something this size. Most standard home units cannot even dream of hitting that kind of pressure. You also get force CFM at 90 psi, and that is the real magic number for anyone doing actual labor. It means you're not just sitting around waiting for the tank to refill every 3 minutes. You can actually run 2 framing nailers at the exact same time without a hitch. Think about the sheer speed of a job site where you never have to pause for the machine to catch up. You could even hook up 5 brad nailers for a massive trim project and the air would keep flowing. Most portable compressors would just choke and die under that kind of heavy load. It handles roofing and heavy framing with a level of ease that is honestly surprising for a 6-gallon tank. It is a strange hybrid between a heavy-duty shop machine and a portable carry-along. It only weighs about 41 pounds, which is lighter than those bulky twin-stack models you usually see professionals hauling through mud and gravel. You can grab the handle and move it from room to room or up a ladder without a second thought. The design is completely oil-free too. That means no messy oil changes and no worrying about the unit being perfectly level while it runs. It is built for the person who wants to get to work rather than spend their morning maintaining their tools. However, there is a very loud elephant in the room that we have to address. This thing is incredibly noisy. It is not just a polite hum or a mechanical buzz. It is a full-on aggressive roar. If you are working in a finished house or a small detached garage, you are going to want the best ear protection you can find. Your neighbors might start asking questions if you decide to run this thing late at night. Some users have even gone as far as calling it the loudest compressor currently on the market. You are making a very specific trade here. You are giving up peace and quiet in exchange for raw, unadulterated power. There have also been some whispers about long-term durability when the machine is pushed to its absolute limit every day. A few people have run into internal pressure issues or worn out parts after a year or 2 of hard labor. It seems like the high-performance nature of the motor might put a bit of extra strain on the internal seals over time. It is a high-strung machine that demands respect. It is certainly not for the person who just wants to fill up a basketball once a year. That would be total overkill and a waste of money. This is for the contractor who needs to keep a crew moving through a deadline. It is for the serious DIYer who is building an entire edition or framing out a basement. You get incredible productivity, but you pay for it with that intense decibel level. It is a focused tool that knows exactly what it is. It is not trying to be a versatile household appliance. It is a workhorse designed to drive nails as fast as you can pull the trigger. If you value your time and your output over a quiet workspace, the trade-off is worth it. Just make sure you have your earplugs ready before you flip that power switch.